The scene opens in a cold, dimly lit gym bathroom at dawn. A man, aged between 40 and 60, stands before the mirror, his tired eyes reflecting years of weariness. The harsh fluorescent light casts shadows on his slumped shoulders, emphasizing a sense of defeat. He gazes into the mirror, searching for a glimpse of the man he once was. But all he sees is a weary soul burdened by the weight of unfulfilled dreams and missed opportunities. The silence of the early morning amplifies his inner turmoil, as he grapples with feelings of inadequacy and lost confidence. Each breath feels heavy, each moment stretching into eternity. It is a poignant reminder that life does not pause, even as he stands frozen in self-doubt. This somber tone sets the stage for a journey of transformation, hinting at the struggles ahead and the potential for renewal that lies within. The scene shifts to a series of quick cuts, showcasing men over the age of 40 in various professional environments. We see one man in a conference room nervously saying, "I'm sorry for interrupting," as he hesitates to share his ideas. Another man stands by the coffee machine, repeatedly apologizing for taking the last cup, his voice barely above a whisper. In a meeting, a third man fidgets, saying, "I apologize if this is a silly question," before asking for clarification on a project. Each moment highlights their lack of confidence as they bow their heads and avoid eye contact. The camera captures their body language, slumped shoulders, nervous gestures, and anxious expressions. These excessive apologies reveal a deeper issue, a struggle with self-respect and the need for approval. The rapid transitions emphasize the pervasive nature of this behavior, setting the stage for a transformation towards empowerment and self-assurance. In the bustling office environment, the camera pans across a group of men laughing together, their chuckles echoing in the air. However, the laughter is tinged with disrespectful comments aimed at one another. Phrases like, "You really think you can handle that?" and "Good luck with that idea, buddy," float through the atmosphere, revealing a culture of belittlement. These men, desperate for approval, chuckle along, masking their discomfort with forced laughter. Their eyes dart nervously, avoiding confrontation, as they cling to the fleeting acceptance from their peers. This behavior highlights a deeper issue, their struggle with self-worth and the fear of standing up for themselves. Each laugh is a reminder of their weakness, a silent agreement to endure ridicule rather than assert their dignity. The scene encapsulates a cycle of insecurity, where seeking approval overshadows the need for respect and authenticity, reinforcing the theme of vulnerability in their lives. As the clock strikes midnight, the screen lights up with a flurry of anxious text messages. A man in his 40s types and deletes, struggling to articulate his thoughts. Each message is a desperate attempt to clarify, over-explaining why he feels misunderstood. "I just want you to know that I didn't mean it like that," he types, followed by a barrage of apologies and reassurances. His fingers race across the screen, revealing an underlying insecurity and a profound need for validation. He worries about how his words might be perceived, spiraling into a cycle of self-doubt. The messages continue to flood in, filled with unnecessary details and explanations that only serve to amplify his anxiety. This late-night ritual becomes a mirror reflecting his inner turmoil, showcasing a man caught in the web of his own insecurities, desperately seeking approval in the silence of the night. In this segment, we witness men in their 40s and 50s breaking their own routines, a visual representation of their internal struggles. The camera captures a man choosing to skip his morning workout, his gym bag untouched in the corner. Another scene shows a man scrolling through his phone, neglecting his personal goals, while the sunlight streams through the window, symbolizing missed opportunities. As these moments unfold, we see their faces reflect disappointment and defeat, highlighting how these choices contribute to their feelings of weakness. The sound of a clock ticking emphasizes the passage of time, reminding viewers of the importance of commitment. Each skipped workout and neglected goal adds to a growing sense of inadequacy. This cycle of self-sabotage is palpable, as these men grapple with the consequences of their decisions, ultimately leading to a yearning for change and a desire to reclaim their strength and purpose. The camera focuses on the main character, now standing tall in the same gym bathroom. His posture is transformed, shoulders squared, and a determined look replaces the weariness in his eyes. The harsh light of the mirror reflects not just his physical presence, but a newfound resolve. As the atmosphere shifts, the music intensifies, hinting at the transformation that is about to unfold. Gone are the days of self-doubt and hesitation. He embodies strength and confidence. Each breath he takes feels purposeful, as if he is shedding the weight of past insecurities. The echoes of his previous struggles fade away, replaced by a powerful inner voice urging him to embrace his potential. This moment marks a pivotal turn, a declaration that he is ready to reclaim his life. The energy in the room vibrates with possibility, setting the stage for the journey of self-discovery and empowerment that lies ahead. As the scene unfolds, the man sits at a conference table surrounded by colleagues, his posture now upright and assertive. The atmosphere shifts dramatically as he speaks with clarity and confidence, no longer burdened by the weight of excessive apologies. The overlay text boldly states, "Stop apologizing," emphasizing the importance of self-respect. In the past, he would have deflected compliments or minimized his contributions, but today, he acknowledges his value. As he presents his ideas, the room falls silent, captivated by his newfound strength. Colleagues nod in agreement, recognizing the change in him. This moment marks a pivotal shift, showcasing that excessive apologizing not only undermines one's authority, but also diminishes self-worth. By embracing a more assertive approach, he sets a powerful example for others. This is the first step in reclaiming his confidence and asserting his place in both his professional and personal life. He walks away from the interaction, knowing he has set a new standard for how he deserves to be treated. The atmosphere shifts dramatically, and the tension in the room is palpable. A colleague makes a disrespectful comment, expecting laughter and compliance. Instead, our protagonist locks eyes with him, embodying strength and self-worth. "That's not acceptable," he states firmly, his voice steady and unwavering. The overlay text appears, "Demand respect," reinforcing the importance of standing up for oneself. This moment marks a pivotal change, showcasing that respect is not given freely, it must be earned. The other colleagues pause, surprised by this assertiveness, and the dynamic in the room begins to shift. Our main character's courage serves as a powerful reminder that laughter at the expense of others is not a sign of camaraderie but a path to weakness. Embracing directness is a crucial step toward empowerment. In this moment, we see our main character shift from a place of insecurity to one of clarity. Overlay text appears, boldly stating, "Be direct." Instead of crafting lengthy, anxious messages filled with unnecessary details, he types a concise and assertive response. This change signifies a newfound confidence in communication, allowing him to express himself without fear of judgment. The screen displays his message, clear, to the point, and free from the clutter of over-explanation. This transformation not only reflects his internal growth, but also sets a powerful example for others. By embracing directness, he demonstrates that clarity in communication fosters respect and understanding. This habit shift not only enhances his self-esteem, but also strengthens his relationships as he no longer seeks validation through excessive words. As the camera focuses on our main character, we see him breaking free from the chains of his previous habits. The overlay text boldly states, "Commit to your path." This moment signifies a pivotal change in his life. He is now fully engaged in a rigorous training session, sweat glistening on his brow, showcasing his dedication to physical fitness. Each rep he completes is a testament to his newfound discipline. Transitioning to a scene where he sits at a desk, he diligently journals his thoughts and goals, reflecting on his journey and the commitment he has made to himself. This act of writing is not just a routine, it is a declaration of his intentions and aspirations. The atmosphere shifts as he embraces a structured lifestyle, illustrating the importance of consistency and focus in achieving personal growth. This is more than just a habit, it is a commitment to a better version of himself. The montage begins with the man in the gym, sweat glistening on his forehead as he pushes through an intense workout. Each rep signifies his commitment to physical strength and resilience. Transitioning to a serene corner, he is seen journaling, pen gliding across the page as he reflects on his journey, setting intentions for the future. The scene shifts to him establishing boundaries, confidently saying no to distractions that once derailed his focus. Each moment captured illustrates not just actions, but a profound transformation. The music swells, amplifying the energy of his newfound habits as he engages in mindful breathing, grounding himself in the present. This is more than a routine. It is a declaration of self-worth and determination. The montage culminates in a vibrant display of his strength, both physical and mental, reinforcing the positive changes he has embraced, embodying the essence of a man who has reclaimed his life. As the dark ambient music swells to a powerful crescendo, the camera captures the man striding confidently out of the gym. Each step he takes echoes the transformation he has undergone, a testament to his newfound strength and resolve. The dim light of the gym fades behind him, symbolizing the departure from self-doubt and weakness. With shoulders back and head held high, he embodies the essence of empowerment, inspiring viewers to reflect on their own lives. This moment serves as a call to action, urging them to embrace the King Stoic fixes. The rhythm of the music pulses with energy, igniting a fire within the audience. They are left with a sense of motivation, ready to adopt these changes, to stop apologizing, demand respect, and commit to their paths. As he disappears into the morning light, viewers are reminded that they too can walk away from their past limitations and step boldly into a brighter future.